Hello guys and welcome back again to a brand new video. In today's tutorial guys, I will show you how to create your Gmail signature, and basically the signature will be applied to each mail that you send. Basically you just have to add it in the end. You don't have to write it, but you just have to add it. So how we can create our Gmail signature? First of all, we have to have a Gmail account. So let's go ahead to our browsers and then let's open Gmail. So for me here, I can create a Gmail account. So let's just connect. Here we go, and that is my account. So now this is my account. Basically what you have to do is go ahead here and click on this see all settings, and then basically what you'll have to do is go all the way down and you see this signatures section. Click here to create your new signature. So here we go. Now name it, for example, professional signature, and now I will click on create. So here we go. Now what I'm going to do is basically pretty simple. Here I shall just type what I want to have in my signature. For example, we can make your website, phone number, etc. So for example, let's make something like that. Let's have a signature example, and let's add it over there. So signature example, and let's see mail signature example. And let's find some examples over here. If you can find your name, title optional, so something like that. So for example, Bernie Reader, content engagement manager. So let's do this. Bernie Reader. So something about that. Then content and engagement manager. Yes, where? And then phone number. So let's copy this, paste it here. We make something like that. We make this bold. We make this somewhere like that. Okay, space, and then phone number, which gonna be something random. So you can just make anything. You can even add symbols if you have the code of the symbol. So let's add the phone number, for example. It can be really normal, so something like that. So after that, we have done with that. If you want to create a new signature, you can just create new. If you want to remove it, you can just remove it. So yeah guys, that's how you can create your signature in Gmail. Thank you a lot for watching and see you in the next tutorial.